Uh, okay, we are directly moving on to our application. As you all can see in the screen, our application name is Moneylender. This application is useful for everyone who lend money to others regularly. Usually, when we lend money to others, we forget to collect it back from the person, or the person who has borrowed the money might forget to return it back. But the consequence would be the person who lended the money may lose his money because of not collecting it or getting it back from the person. Considering this as a problem statement, we came up with the application which could keep track of the money lended by users. Initially, when we open the app, you will be redirected to main page with the logo and the name of the application, as you all can see in the screen. And when you click on the start button, you will be redirected to the page where the user can store all the details of the money lended by him to others. The user can store the details of the person to whom he has lended the money. For example, if I have lended money to someone, then I can store the name, phone number, and the amount I lended, and the date on which the money was lended. Uh, you can see we are showing you for a example purpose. We are just adding details. In this way, we are adding the details, and there is an option to write one line description as well, in which I can write for what reason the money was borrowed by me. Along with this, we have an option called note, as you all can see in the screen, where we write the deadline in terms of days. So basically, what happens is when we enter the data, we get date of like we give the date of entering data and also deadline in the note option. If I have given money to my friend on August 16th, then if she has told that she would be returning it back after 3 days, then under note section, I can mention it as 3. And then on August 19th, that is after 3 days, I'll be getting a notification saying that the deadline for so and so person is over, so that we can ask our money back from that person. And this notification thing would be the main advantage of our application. Now imagine you have given 100 rupees for your friend, but after some days when your friend returns you back the money, if he or she has returns you will return only 60 rupees out of 100, then you can use update option and just update the amount from 100 to 40, indicating that 40 rupees is pending. For to show it to everyone, now we are just updating our data. Okay, you can see that the update option, we have updated it successfully. When your friend returns the money back to you after some days, like if the friend has written you back whole amount, like all the amount taken by them completely, then you can just click on the delete option and just delete the person's details from the list using the delete option. The delete option is successful, and in between, if we are doing any mistake or if we enter something, some wrong details, then it will give us a error. So moving on, if you want to fetch particular person details stored in the application, then you can just fetch the details using mobile number by using fetch option. See, in this way, we got the details of all the, I mean, the particular person's details. In this case, it's Rajesh. The person Rajesh details, we are getting it by using the mobile number and by using the fetch option. And if you want to get details of everyone to whom you have lended money, then you can just click on view all, and then you will get details of everyone in a sorted manner. As you can see in the screen, we are getting all the entries which we have entered in our application. And yeah, this is all about our application. Notification would be one specific point, feature or point we would like to mention. And the end users of this application are everyone who lend money to others. Especially it is very useful for shopkeepers. Overall, it's a simple, user friendly and a very useful application for money lenders. Thank you.